So this is just going to be a compression update on the supmix 54.5 cc saw from Amazon Canada. See what the compression is. This thing's had about 3 tanks of gas through it now. We'll see what she's reading. So she's reading, we'll call that 175 psi. That's not too shabby. Might get stronger yet. We'll see what happens. A few more tanks of gas. Anyways, YouTube, take it easy. But yeah, I highly recommend these saws. They call them a 6200. They're not 62 cc's. You just do the simple pi r squared and measure the bore and stroke, and it is 54.5 cc's.